We're here live in the grocery store trying to figure out some better healthy food options to feed ourselves and our families. Stay tuned. We'll see what we come up with. We try to stay away from these sweets and all these delectables. Trying to stay away from the sweets. So when we're trying to eat healthy, you know, you already know, we learning that, you know, you want to stay away from the red meats and the chicken, even the turkey, especially processed. So that brings us to the seafood aisle, and that's like you really eating good, but you got to be careful and make sure it's real. You know, you don't want the imitation crab meat, none of that. So we over here about to see what's up. See, and that's the imitation crab meat right there. But you know, I'm gonna probably see what's up with some shrimps, and I want to get some good shrimp, not these Argentina pink shrimp. Just because they big don't mean they good. So we're gonna see what's good, and it's how fresh really is it. The man come back, he gonna probably slice me up with some good old lobster tails. We right here, we doing it real swell, because we trying to eat real and eat ourselves to the best of our abilities. You know what I'm saying? We out here, What Is Food News, about to get some lobster tails and see what they really hitting on. We probably not gonna cook them in the most healthiest way. We probably gonna fry them up with some steak and some kale and keep it moving. What do you think? No, I'm gonna go ahead and do something special to him when I get to the crib tonight. When I get to the crib, I'm gonna put that blade on it and yeah, cause I got this little cooking channel thing I'll be doing and trying to teach people how to eat good. It's called What Is Food News, and I'm gonna dice them joints up and put them in the hot grease and fry them up, fried lobster nuggets and everything like that. You know? Yeah. So that's what we gonna do today right here. We right here live in the store to get the food from. As we unleash the camera in the grocery store, we bringing it to you raw with this What Is Food News and how to eat better. Food should bring you nothing but joy and happiness, not sickness and pain. So we're here in the kitchen, What Is Food News, about to show you how to put together a nice little meal. We got a couple little things, little chicken, we probably fry that for the kids. You know, that's a hard habit. The meat is something that's, growing up myself, I was raised on meat, so eating chicken wings and steak and things like that, those are dying hard habits I'm trying to get away from. But I did buy me some grass-fed raised beef and you know, got some fresh chicken wings. Nothing out of the bag. It's already seasoned. I'm gonna put my own blessings on it, and we're gonna do something with these lobster nuggets, and then I'm doing some asparagus and some red potatoes, and we're gonna, you know, just do something real nice and different. All right, so we're gonna cut the dead ends off the asparagus, and so what we're gonna do with that, with the rest of these here, we're gonna do with this, we're gonna put this in a bag, and this is gonna go in the compost. Let's rinse this off. So right now we got those two lobsters. We're gonna take them out the shell, take them all the way out the shell, take the tails out, cut them up into little pieces and make lobster nuggets. Then we're gonna fry them. We got our potatoes right there. In these trying times, you know, we move in society, got you moving, everything is on the go. But this is good quality cooking, real food for your soul to nourish your body, your family, have great talks, and keep it moving like that. You know what I'm saying? Going to your next state of being like you want to be. Just like that, man. Here at What Is Food News, man. Stay tuned. All right, now we done took these lobsters out the shell, and before we cut them up, we want to get we got our pot hot right here. We got the wok hot, so we're gonna throw these asparagus right up in there. And this is my first time making asparagus, so hopefully I have lots of fun with it, right? Alright, so we've got our nuggets, our lobster nuggets battered, the asparagus is done, and so is our red potatoes. The wings for the kids are done. Look at that perfection there. Just cooking and cooking. Cooking and cooking. Perfect. Lobster bite.